Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rebiana, and today I have this very big fluffy curly hair for you guys sent from Unice Hair. So let's just go ahead and get into the packaging. So they sent over this elastic band that can be used to lay your baby hairs. It's one of those things where you can just kind of stick and go. They make it very easy for you guys, and it also is logoed. They also sent a wig cap. I did use it for today's video, and they sent over some eyelashes, you guys. These were actually some really good ones, because you know normally they don't really send the good ones. And I was actually surprised to see a paddle brush in my packaging, especially because I have to review all this hair for you guys, so perfect. And then this little makeup brush you can use to like tint your lace. So I wanted to show you guys the hair straight out of the packaging, the inside of the cap. It did come bleached, only like in the middle parting space, you guys, so you can go in and bleach it more if you want to. However, I just left it how it was. And it also comes with an adjustable strap you could take in and out. So I am going to show you guys a little bit of me washing my hair. This is the Tresemme Silky and Smooth shampoo and conditioner. I like using Tresemme. It's cheap, you guys, and it gets the job done. They also have different types of formulas for different types of hair textures and things of that such, but I am just using the Silky and Smooth. So I'll link all that stuff down below for you guys. But I want to go ahead and put my wig unit on for you guys. Let's just go ahead and make this a talk through hair video. So Unice Hair sent me over this very full density Jerry curly textured wig unit. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig in 24 inches. I'm not sure of the exact density, you guys, but I would try to make sure to put that information down for you guys just in case you guys want to know, right? So this is a kinky edge wig, so it does have the curly baby hairs in the front. And I honestly think that these wigs are easier to apply than any other wig, you guys, because you don't have to do your baby hairs for real. Like, it's easy. It's very, very easy. I did not pluck this lace at all, but I did go in and tint my lace with my foundation, and I used the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte foundation in the color Cocoa. I say this in every video because someone's going to ask, and again, I'll link everything down below in my Amazon storefront, or you guys can just look through the carousel as well of things that I used in this hair video. So this again was very easy for me to put on, you guys. I literally put this on in like under 15 minutes, to be completely honest with you guys, and it's just super easy. I just love how it looks. The kinky curly baby hairs, it looks way realistic, especially on curly hair. Now I have reviewed a few of the kinky curly edge wig units, and they're all kind of different in my opinion. Some companies give you guys a little bit, and some of them give us like a lot. This one is kind of like in the middle. It's kind of like just enough. So, you know, just to let you guys know. But when it came to like shedding and tangling and things of that such, you guys did see that through me like washing the hair and things of that such. It was very minimal, and it was very easy for me to run my finger straight through as well when I was washing the wig unit. And yeah, I actually never really have a problem out of Unice hair wigs, you guys. So check them out if you guys are looking for a nice little spring wig, because I know summer is coming up. We're going to need like our curly wig units, perfect for summer, perfect for vacation, and all of these types of things. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this video play out and show you guys how I got this natural, very natural looking install, you guys. Very natural. It's very much for beginners and things of that such. But I'm just going to go ahead and let it play out, and then I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. you.